everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change your mouse settings on your Windows 11 computer. So this should be a pretty straightforward process, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up the search menu on Windows 11. So go ahead and select the magnifying glass, and you want to search for Control Panel. Best result should come back with Control Panel. Go ahead and open that up. Select the View By and select the large icons, and then you want to select Mouse. So here's where you can go ahead and adjust all your mouse settings, such as switching the primary and secondary buttons, changing the double click speed on the right on the buttons tab. Move over to the pointers tab. You can adjust the Windows pointer and how it appears as well. So you can adjust different settings here. Pointer options, you can adjust how quickly the pointer moves. You can hide the pointer while typing as well. Select the wheel tab. You can adjust the wheel scrolling speed here. And you can see your different hardware devices hooked up. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.